So another quick, healthy recipe, marble nice cream. Nice cream, marble nice cream. We've made up a name. We made it in a silicone little muffin tin. So it's a silicone pan, pan tin. Well, it's not really a tin, is it? But it's silicone and you can buy it at any supermarket. Now, when you put them in these, you can actually push them out so easy. There you go. And then you've got a marble nice cream for the kids. They will love this, okay? Now, if you don't want to freeze your own bananas, just buy frozen bananas when they're on sale. Frozen bananas.
How do we make them freeze up?
How do you make them freeze up? You put them in the freezer.
Can I have one of those?
And I'll add a little bit of milk to this one because I'm going to blend it. But in the recipe, you can use you don't even need a blender because some blenders aren't high speed and won't be able to cope with the frozen banana. So I would use just a food processor. That'll do the same thing.
Can I have one of those after?
Definitely. One is yours. It's got your name on it, okay? All right. Oh. So I have just processed it until it's smooth. So that's just the banana and a touch of milk. We've got the banana nice cream. All I'm going to use now is some raspberries and they're thawed, okay? So they were frozen, they're thawed. I'm just going to throw the raspberries in there. Now, because raspberries are a touch sour, I like to just add a touch of maple syrup just to sweeten them up. And then we blend those as well.
Can't blend it?
Yeah, you can blend it. Go. This one. And that's done. Now, when you're mixing it into the banana nice cream, you don't want to mix it too much because you want it to have this marble effect. So remember this one that I showed you at the beginning? It's got like a marble effect. You want to keep that so it looks really cool like that, okay? All right, let's put this in there. So we've got the raspberry. Oh, that's going to be amazing. So now I'm going to fold it through like that. So can you fold it? Use your other hand. That's it. Fold it through. And we are going to put it in the molds. You ready? And then you can stick one of those paddle pop sticks in there, okay?
All of them?
Yeah, in all of them. Right in the middle, stick it through. That's it. You got it. How easy was that? And there you've got your marble nice cream. Ready for the kids to devour.
Can I have that?